Hey everyone, Two Gun here. Prepping for the Fight 1 CR rifles as we have them modified right now. So here's mine. As you guys know, I have a Saiga 223. It's an Izzy made at the Izhmash factories in Russia. It says 223 on it, but they have to stamp that on there just to import them in the country. It's built on the 5.56 tolerances. Right now, with modifications. I have a TAPCO Russian style stock. It just means it's a very short stock. It's maybe like 10 inches. I have a Mission First tactical grip on it. It's US made. Has a little cubby hole down here for holding batteries, Allen wrenches, whatever else you want to put in there. 22 if you can fit one in there. I have a G2 trigger group I put on it. This is a squared or octagon trigger guard. I also picked up for it. I got the G2 trigger group at Carolina Shooting Supply. Thought I'd mention that because that's the only place that I could find these trigger guards. Anyways, also modified the rifle so I can run this MSA adapter, which allows me to run AR mags. I can still run my Saiga mags, no problem. Just take it out with normal. Up top, I have a Mojo sight. This isn't the Mojo Click, which you can use windage and all that. This one, once I set it, I have to keep adjusting it with the Allen wrench if I want to move it around. So, and the height, I have to use the Allen wrench on it. So it's pretty much have it set for 100 yards. Up front, I have a K&S front sight post. It's the ball sight post, which works very well with the Mojo Peep sight. On this handguard, or I'm not sure what, I think it's called a handguard on the AKs. Anyways, it's another TAPCO product. It has two Picatinny rails on either side and one underneath. Now for internal modifications I've made. I'm just doing it left-handed. You guys notice how shiny that is? I polished the shit out of that. Also polished this. So nice. So there's a very smooth feed. And so, those are basically all my modifications I've done to it. Yes, I put in a live magazine. Why? Because I keep my mags loaded and my bags packed. So, this is my rifle. There are many like it, but this one is mine.